Huh? What's that? Yes! No! Everything is so hard! Oh my gosh, this is so cute! Yes! No! Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, I usually overload you in every video of mine with tons and tons of products. And so I thought I'd try to just limit myself from the very get-go with just one product. So yes, today, look how cute this is. It's a little game machine thingy with Etude House's mini True Match lipsticks. They're actually not new anymore because I've kept this for a while in my room to actually make a video with it. So I don't know how old it will be by the time this video goes up, but it's still relatively new. I think they sent me all their colors. So I'm gonna swatch them for you and I'm going to see if this thing works. We'll just have fun together. So let's get started. Let's open it up. All right, so I've taken it out of the box. It looks like this. The products are already falling out of the little thing. That little gate thingy. You can put them in if you put it upside down. Is that, I don't know if I'm doing it right. There's all these like lipsticks that fell out. I'm just gonna put them back in. They're so small, guys. Look how small it is. It actually has like little battery part. Got some spare batteries here, so good. There we go. Look, done. So I fixed it up. I put all the products in there and it looks pretty good, I think. There's a little area here. That's where you're meant to take the crane out or something, huh? What's that? Okay, so there's this like rubber band. I'm just gonna undo that. Is that what you're supposed to do? This is actually not that easy. Where's the lid so I can get into there? This plastic that's covering the crane, I don't know how I'm gonna take it out because I don't know how to get into the machine. The sun's going down already. No. Okay. Guys, I don't know how to take this plastic out. Okay, I think I need scissors. Hang on a second, please. Finally got the plastic out. I'm up to number 2. Number 3 says 주문 받으시면 코인 보관함에 있습니다. Oh, that's so cute. It actually has its own currency. Here. Is it gonna fall out? Now I have to put in the battery. Oh my gosh, guys. Everything is so hard. Guys, I can't open this. What the heck? Why didn't you just make it so easy for you to just open it? What the heck is this? But you know what, guys? I just noticed. Look how long the crane is. The chains are so long that it's not able to actually like freely hang. If you can see, it's touching the top of the products. So I don't know how it's gonna work anyway. You see it? Is that supposed to be like that? Honestly, guys, I'm not sure. I can't figure out how to put the battery little section out. There's a nail in it. I don't have a screwdriver with me. And thing doesn't even hang, so I don't know how it's actually going to go around and pick up products unless there's only like one layer of products in there. So you know what, guys? For now, why don't we do some swatches? But just to give us a bit of satisfaction for this video, let's play around with the buttons a little bit. Yes, yes, left and right, yes. Back and forth, yes. Coins, yes. Sorry guys, is this a disappointment? Is this an anticlimax? Let's put some coins in. It actually says sound on and off as well, so I'm wondering what sound it makes. Oh my gosh. Anyway, okay, let's move on to the products, guys. It says mix your color, make your look. 내 마음대로 갖고 노는 무한 매칭 립 컬러. Since I don't even know how to take these out, I'm gonna take them out one by one manually. It does have a USB cord, but I don't have anything to link it to right now because my computer's in my room, on the table. I don't have a notebook. So let's see what the colors look like and what the lipsticks look like themselves. Ooh. Okay, so that's what it looks like. This one's in, it's called Gold Mansour. It's got a cap and the color down there. So not quite what I was expecting, but Right, okay, so these lipsticks, they're just little mini lipsticks. Because they said mini to match, I thought that they would have like 2 colors in them for some reason, like kind of like the Laneige two-tone lip gloss, but obviously not. So let's take out another one. This one is a tinting lip balm. So this one's literally like a tinted lip balm color. It's a really nice like jelly pink. It doesn't really have much color. The formula is really nice though, and it has a really cute fragrance. Oh wait, okay, so are they called mini to match because you can match 2 colors together, and do they stick together or something? They do! They stick together. I'm such a genius. I swear, if there's already videos out there about these lipsticks and I'm like the last one to do it, I'm gonna seem so dumb right now. Like that. There's a mini magnetic holder. Oh, this is like the little middle piece. There's a magnet in here, a magnet in there. All right, so now let's look through the colors in fast forward, shall we? Carrot Panic, Maple Road. They're like a satiny matte. Yeah, they smell like some kind of like sweet candy. This is the moisturizing lip balm. Sad, I thought that this would actually be a nice pink color, but it's just the lip balm. So it's a clear lip balm. I like to use lip balms as glosses sometimes anyway, so that would be a good thing to have. This one is in Chunky Pinky. Chunky Pinky. Okay, so that's in Chunky Pinky. Flower Cake. That's Flower Cake. LA Lady. Beautiful nude color. I haven't worn a color like this in ages. Antique Rose. Antique Rose. Slow Coral. This one's beautiful, this slow coral color. This one has such a cute name. It's called Happytude, and it's just like a really happy orange color. It's a deep orange red. There, Happytude. Ooh, look at this one. It's called Crushed Magenta. Really fluoro pink. Haha, cheese. That one's called Crushed Magenta. So they gave me another magnetic holder. It's getting dark outside again. Yeah, let's do this one. Fresh Tomato. Do you say tomato or tomato? Aussies say tomato. I just realized that some of you guys might find that funny. Ooh, this color here looks like this. Ooh, this one's such a nice red. I'm definitely including this one in my Match 2 lipstick, so I'm gonna put this one in. Okay, we've got a Vampire Black, guys. It's just a pitch black color. They feel hydrating. They're not extremely pigmented from the first swatch. You do have to build it up. And this black is actually not the satin matte that the other ones are. This is actually sheer and it's moisturizing. It's like dewy. Okay, I know that I will never ever use that one. You can mix blacks with other colors to deepen them up, but I don't ever do that, so. Grape Soy Milk, that's a cute name as well. I have friends who would love this color, Grape Soy Milk. This is in Gentle Brick. It's that brick brownie orange. Gentle Brick. Eee! Let's move on to this arm now. I actually forgot to swatch the first 2 that I did on the back of my hand, so I'll put them on here first. The Gold Mansour. So this one is shaped differently. The Gold Mansour is shaped like a typical lipstick that's round. This one is in Highlight White. That's actually quite nice white. It's not terribly pigmented. It's not matte and dry and flaky, but it's actually perfectly in between sheer and too pigmented to be a good highlight color. This one's in Salmon Kiss. I'm gonna pop in the Tinting Lip Balm into the other side of the match with the red so that I can mix those colors. Okay, we've got a pink here. This is a nudie pink. It's called My Rosy Life. Let's see if it's a nudie pink actually. Oh, it's actually not a nude pink. This is like, it's got gold glints in it. Pretty sure it's gonna be a little bit on the sheerer side. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. This color's so nice. Lip concealer. Cannot go without a lip concealer for sure. I'm happy to see this one actually. Look at these ones. This one's blue and this one's yellow. They must be for mixing. You guys know what they do, right? This one's called Deep Blue. So Deep Blue you should probably use when you want to make your color a little more cool toned. It's actually not deep. This is more like a sky blue. This one's called Juicy Yellow. This one has a cute little drawing on it. It's a pure yellow. That's the yellow there. So if you guys don't know, yellows make your shades look a little more warm toned. Okay, so this one is in Idle Pink. That's a really nice pink. Look at my arms. We're almost there, guys. We've got like 5 more. This is in Summer Punch. It's an orange. It's like an orangey pink. Just from the first go, it's really, really pigmented. That would be really nice in summer. Red Vinegar. there. That red I actually like. Yeah. I popped it in. And then we've got dry apricot latte. Nude apricot. I'm definitely not a left-handed person. So bad at these left-handed swatches. House strawberry. This one looks pretty strong. This looks like I would like the color. Red with like a pink undertone to it, I guess. Oh, that's so smooth. That one was really, really smooth too. Actually, we'll probably lean towards this one more than this other one because this is more purple. Goodbye red vinegar and hello house strawberry. Here we go, we've got our mini matchstick. Oh, this one's really nice too. It's called Cold Berry. I love berry colors. This is such a nice color, I can just tell. I can just tell. Yes. I love it. I love it. I can just tell I love it. I can't even see what's on my lips right now. I don't know what happened. Last but not least, this one is in Flower Mark. Flower Mark. Yeah, looks like that. That's Flower Mark. These apply really well. They feel nice on my lips. They definitely do feel like a kind of more present type of lipstick, kind of like a satin. Feels very pleasant. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. These are all the swatches. This side went so wonky, I don't know what the heck happened. Like, is my arm twisted or something? I think it's cool how they mixed in the moisturizers with the mix and match colors like the black, the blue, and the gold. They have tons of colors that Koreans would love, like a lot of the different shades of the reds and pinks. Okay guys, so these are the ones that I made today, my mini 2 matches. I used the concealer color, I used that red color, and then I've got another red color with a pink color. And that's the lip balm side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for future stuff coming up. I'm gonna be uploading weekly and also have a humongous Korean giveaway coming up soon. So do stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and click that notification bell button if you wanna get notifications whenever my uploads go up. I'm trying very hard not to get this lipstick on my clothes right now. I just realized you can see Scarlett right there. Did you see her walking around the top of the cage the whole time? Funny. I got it to work, guys, I think. So I plugged it in with the USB. Maybe it's the coin. Hang on, let's try it. That's so cute. It's so slow. The sound. It's struggling.